Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today, we are cooking for the first time on our brand new Weber Kettle. We've got a great, easy recipe too, chicken kebabs. That'll help you get to learn your kettle, kind of the ins and outs, and have a great first cook. Now, before we head out and get cooking, don't forget, subscribe to the Ace Hardware YouTube channel. We always say like, comment, and share. We love interacting with you, and we definitely enjoy seeing you here on our YouTube channel. Then, hey, if you want to go shopping with me, click that little eye that comes up, and I'll take you on a shopping tour of all the gear, gadgets, and grills we use in today's video. Now, we're gonna head out, get this fired up first because we have fast and easy prep today. Let's get cooking. Well, here we are right at our kettle. Now, one of the things you'll notice here, right over there, we've got our char baskets. Those are fantastic because those actually will go in here on the right side and the left side, allowing you to do a little bit of indirect cooking if you want. Now, char baskets aren't included with every kettle, so make sure you check to see if they come with yours. Today we're gonna be cooking direct. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and fill up my chimney with some B&B Charcoal briquettes. And I'm gonna go a little bit full because I'm looking for a lot of heat today, and I wanna make sure that we've got enough fuel for the fire. Now, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take a tumbleweed. So we'll use just one of these tumbleweeds. And what I've done is I put a little metal or foil pan down here. We're gonna add that tumbleweed right in the middle here. We'll go ahead and get this guy started. Like that, a little bit on each end, and we'll go ahead and put this chimney right over the top. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna wait until I see these guys nice and red hot and starting to ash over a little bit, then I know it is time to cook. Let's talk a little bit about ingredients today for our chicken kebab. So I'll tell you, my favorite right there, those metal Weber skewers. These are absolutely fantastic. They do a great job of picking up some heat on that skewer and cooking your chicken faster. We've got two nice sized chicken breasts today for our chicken skewers, and then we've just got a little bit of vegetables that we're gonna roast off as well, and a little bit of rice and quinoa. Seasoning them up today, we're gonna use a little of our oink rub. We're gonna sauce them with some high altitude, and then we'll get everything started here with a little bit of oil. First order of prep, we'll go ahead and get these all diced up into the bowl. When it comes to kebabs, you wanna make sure that every cube of chicken or pork or beef or whatever you're using is about the same size. That's gonna help everything cook very evenly. So we'll go ahead and get this chicken breast cut up, get it all the same size in cubes, then we'll go ahead and add that to our bowl like so. Now, I've got one clean hand and one not clean hand, so we'll add a little bit of oil to there, just enough to help it coat, and then seasoning, like we always say, as much or as little as you prefer. So, want to get everything mixed in here good the first time. Take a kind of a look at it and see how that seasoning is doing, and then if I need to, I'll add just a little bit more to get everything going like so. We let that chicken sit for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes max, just so that marinade has a chance to do its thing or that rub has a chance to work. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and load the chicken on here. I am not going to force the chicken onto the skewer. I wanna leave a not tightly packed, but not too much gap in there. I want it just kind of medium packed on there. That way I guarantee everything is going to cook properly and we won't have any chicken sushi. So we'll go ahead and just keep skewering these guys, get them both done, and be ready for the Weber Kettle. As you can see, we are good to go on this charcoal. Now, what I like to do is, I've got beautiful red hot coals all the way down, about 80% of the way up, but then look at the top. The top is just starting to ash, just starting to ignite. I like to pour those in, and it kind of gives me a little bit of an extended run with the charcoal. So we're carefully going to lose that metal pan, and now using a hot glove, carefully going to add these guys right into the middle, like that. We have got the coals in there, and what I'm gonna do is carefully kind of get these guys just moved over towards the center a little bit. Got my tongs, I've got some hot gloves, and we are good to go here. I just wanna get these guys in the middle, so I've got it right over where I plan to do my cooking. But you can see we've got a beautiful blend of some that are ashing, some that are red hot, and some that are still getting ready to go. And the beauty of that is it gives me a little bit longer sustained cook. But we'll go ahead and add the grill grate in next, you guys. And now we'll put the cover on. We'll come back, see you in a minute, and it's time to cook these kebabs. Okay, we are ready to go. I've got those coals right where I want them. Now, I've got the bottom vents wide open because I'm trying to get some maximum heat in here. We'll go ahead and Oh, listen to that sizzle. We'll go ahead and add those kebabs. Now, remember when I said just enough oil to coat? Look at how much oil we have left on the pan. That is the perfect amount of oil. We're right at about 4 minutes, and you can start to see a little bit of white on the edges of that chicken. So I'm actually gonna go ahead now, oh, look at that, and start rotating this. And we'll keep rotating and turning the chicken until we hit right at that 165 degrees. We are done. Time to head in the kitchen. We're gonna finish these guys with a little bit of barbecue sauce, but we'll go ahead and do that in the kitchen. Well, there you have it. First cook on the Weber Kettle was a success. We've got some amazing chicken kebabs here. Now, any first cook I do on any of my grills, I like to find something that has a low financial impact to my wallet in case I have an oops, right? Because we all have an oops moment when we're getting to learn our grills and understanding how the airflow works, how the vents control everything. So like I said, I like to pick something easy, simple, with minimal financial impact as well. Now, don't forget, it is time to subscribe to the Ace Hardware YouTube channel. We always say like, follow, share. Definitely, we want to be a part of your YouTube community. So make sure you subscribe and let's hang out together a little bit more. Then, don't forget to leave your questions and comments below because that is what drives our content and our videos. You said, hey, teach me how to do a first cook on my Weber Kettle. Here we are today. Then, you think this is a great video? Coming up, we've got more fantastic videos at the end of today's video. Make sure you click on those and follow along as well. I'm Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. It is time for a little quality control. We've got those veggies, that rice. We've got some chicken. Yeah, we've definitely got chicken.